Hey guys, hope everyone's having a good day today. So I want to share something with you that's important maintenance to do on your vehicle, and it's easy to do yourself and it'll save you a ton of money. There's a lot of different options you can do, but I want to show you the cheapest route to go, but it's actually probably the best option when it comes to maintaining your vehicle. Now, I've had my car just about 3 years, and I've never replaced the windshield wipers on here. And they're starting to get really loud. Even when it's raining, they'll skip all over the place, sound really cheap. They don't really wipe the window that good because it skips. It's not a fluid movement. And it is, like I said, 3 years. So it's been, in the sun, brittle. And the price of the replacement blades that I'm going to show you, you can do it once a year and they work perfectly. Nice and quiet, like brand new. So I want to share with you how to do that. It's really easy. Don't have the dealer do it. Just turn your car on. Just keep your foot off the brake so it doesn't start the engine. And you're going to push the stalk all the way up. So you got to push the stalk up. And then as you're holding it, just push the button again to turn the car off. And they'll stay in this mode. And you need it to be like that so you could actually take the blade off the car. Because the way the TLX is, my MDX isn't like this, but the TLX, you have to put them like this so you could pull them back. If not, they'll hit the hood. So this is, like I said, this is really easy. I'm going to try to make it as easy as possible when I explain it, but it's a super easy thing to do. Dealers will always charge you to do this, but I picked up the replacement blades here. They're cheap. They were $10 each. And they're different ones because one's longer than the other. So you have to get the correct part numbers. I'll put the part numbers for the TLX in the description. But if you have like an MDX, RDX, there are going to be two different ones because there's always a longer arm than the other one. And it's just the rubber insert. So the actual squeegee part that you just replace. And more than likely, why replace the whole thing? I mean, unless it's broke, that's all you need. That's the only thing that contacts the window. The arms will be fine for a very long time unless you break it. So like I said, it's a really easy process to do. Took me literally 10 minutes to do. So let me go ahead and share that with you. So right here, there's a little lever. All you're going to do is push that lever toward the arm. And then as you're pushing it there, you're going to pull back on the actual blade. So as you push it in, you're going to pull that blade down. And it's going to unlatch. Okay? So once you do that, here's a big tip. Slowly lower the arm on a rag like that. Because what you don't want to do is leave it up and then you knock into it with your elbow and it comes crashing down and it'll crack your window. So just make sure to lower it down like that and protect your window. So this is the easiest part here. So if you see it at one end here, all you do is pull it down about an inch. And when you pull that side down an inch, it'll allow it to come up and then you just pull it out. So it'll look like that because you're just getting it out of the track. So you just pull it down like an inch and then pull it out and you'll see it jump off the track there. And then you simply just pull the rubber strip right out of the bracket and it'll just pull all the way out. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but all you do is pull it straight up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So the whole thing will come out. Like I said, it's really easy. It only goes one way in there. And then there's the arm. It's a good idea. I'll go ahead and wipe this off with some 303 aerospace protectant. Just wipe it off to make sure there's no junk or grime stuck in the track there. Good thing to do when you have it off the car. And then all you do is take the new one. So here's the new one. And I have started there. Same way. You just start it in one end and then you pull it all the way down. And then on the end of it, when you get it in, it's the same way. You have to pull it all the way past the end about an inch and then go back toward the end underneath the lip. And you'll see it. It's kind of hard to explain. But it's really easy. I was watching videos before and was kind of confused by it, but see, it goes down. It'll go down about 1 inch to allow those ears. It's like an eye to go underneath the ledge. So it's really basic. And then when you put it back on, it's straightforward. You just hook them on. You'll see the hook, and you push up on the arm and it'll snap in place. And that's all there is to it, really. It's really simple. Like I said, don't be intimidated by it or feel like you have to buy the whole new arm because you have to take the arm off anyway. Don't waste the money on that, because these things, rarely will they get damaged or broke, you know, unless something happens to fall on it. But like I said, they're perfectly fine. Just clean them up, replace the rubber strip in them for $20, and now you're good for at least another year. Like I said, I had these for 3 years. I was probably pushing it, but again, easy to do. I tried these out and it's super quiet, like when I bought my car, and I was kind of missing that, because a couple winters now I've been using them and it's been chattering. They've been skipping around and I've just been kind of lazy. I even tried to take, you know, some 303 aerospace. They say you can do that, silicone, and wipe the blades with them. That helps for, you know, a few weeks, and then it'll dry back out and then it'll chatter again. So that's kind of just a little band-aid on them. But replace them, like I said, super easy to do. And now it has that premium feel. Like, I don't know if I can explain that, but when you turn it on, it's just super smooth. I mean, you can't even hear them against the window at all. And before, like I said, it was kind of, if there was a little bit of rain, it would be loud. You could actually hear it inside the car, like screeching. So easier thing to do, especially if you drive your car a lot. It's a safety thing, you know, help improve your visibility, especially at night. So if you have a TLX, just in the description, I'll put the part numbers for the 2021 to 2024 Acura TLX blade replacements. And then, like I said, your local dealer can get them for you. I would check eBay at authorized Honda Acura dealers and see the best price you can get, but they shouldn't be more than $10 to $12 for each one. So you're talking $25 to replace them, and you're good for at least another year. The dealers would charge you at least double that, especially if you have them install them too, and it's super easy to do. So again, I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you didn't know how to replace them, hopefully this showed you how easy it is. Like I said, less than 10 minutes and you're good to go. And it's always important to keep up on that kind of maintenance too. And then when you do it yourself, you're going to save some money and get to know your vehicle a little bit better as well. So again, just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.